everybody. Hello, programmers. Well, today we're gonna make a jumping game in Scratch. By the end of the tutorial, you'll be able to make cool jumping games. We have Electric Cat. We'll probably do this in 5 steps. You should do it with make your character jump. That's gonna be really important. Okay? Make sure to keep that in mind. Then, see, you should then have your character enter, see a moving obstacle, and stop the game, add more obstacles, and keep store. Step 1. We need to do our character. The blue stick act up should do it. To make your character jump upwards, you could do like this. And if we make it 10 times, it'll go up really high. I mean it. But we also wanted to have like a sense of gravity. I also make platformer games with harder gravity, but for now we're just gonna do simple. And now, let's see what this does. Seems nice. And now, let's try this again. It goes up. Now, we need to want it to go like this. Let's put it in the correct position. And now it goes up and down. But I think I should increase this to 20. This to minus 20. Maybe 26. And minus 26. And now, let's see what it would do for now. And I think in this case, we will do when this sprite is clicked, or if you want, I'm using the tablet right now, so I can't, but you could use when the space key is pressed. But honestly, I need it when this sprite is clicked. Now, you can see it is really good. Wee! But we could also enhance it. So let's make it produce a sound. The meow should do it. At the end, they sound meow until done. That starts out because it like it. It's perfect. Now, let's continue. Now, let's make a nice moving obstacle. Now, now it should be pretty good. Maybe we could do it with okay. And now we should do, let's see. Now it just doesn't glide the wave like we wanted it to be. So just okay. Now we can just glide, or it could glide, and we're supposed to now glide. So we should be able to just bring this block over here. Okay, or we could just duplicate. And now oh yeah, maybe the Y a little higher. Maybe the Y a 19 minus 19 to keep it original. Perfect. I like it. It doesn't do anything for now. But gliding and everything for 1 second is a little too fast, so let's make it at least 4 or 3. I say 3 for now. But of course, the character should move a little bit more when he jumps. And to be a little slower at the last second. 0.5. No, that's half of a second. 0.2. There's one for the same thing. 0.2. And in the middle of these two. Nah. 0.1. No, 0.01. This will and this should do it. this case, I honestly want this wave to be a little lower. Let's change the Y by minus. That's the deepest it can go. So by minus 1. So we could just create a new costume. A much smaller one. Now it can go into the position we wanted it to be. We can keep the costume a little bit lower. Then we should add a forever block for this one. 4 seconds. The wave, and let's see. Where's these cats starting? Let's do it like this. And now green flag clicked. Forever if touching chick. Let's see your sprite shoe, the wave. And let's see, we could do with a stop ball. Where is it? With a stop ball. There it is. And sheet suit. And it should be this should do it. This code should do it. Let's just duplicate this. Put it on top over here so it starts over here perfectly, and let's see. Jump. Come on. Maybe we should make the speed of this sprite coming back. 9. Okay, minus 20. But instead of the 0.1, 0.1. Now, let's see. Here comes the wave. And we might want more waves, so the inefficient way to do it would be to basically duplicate the sprite. But you need to use a clone first. If not, you would make it all glitchy. And you don't want anything all glitchy in your code, do you? No. But when you do, it doesn't work. Now, the wave, if we had the same wave 1 second, the wave would be in the exact same position. There's another one. Let's add a score counter, honestly. Let's make a variable. Score. And this variable should do it. Okay. Score. Now. And now, when a player completes a jump, it should change the score by 1. But first set the score to 0. Now, this tutorial should help you out. And I hope it did. Jumping game. I'm going to share this project. Jumping game. And now we could just add it to all the studios. Remember, having studios is the best thing. Your projects get more shared. Well, this tutorial has ended. I hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!